up guys? So I'm gonna go have a look at my friend's Ae86 restoration later at 4, and it's like 3 now, 3:45. So let's get ahead with a quick car wash before heading out. So we're now on the way to pick up my buddy Jerry, and we'll be going to Klang to check out his Ae86, which is undergoing some major restoration, removing some rusted panels, refurbishing some interior, probably doing some engine work, and also wiring works to prevent the car from exploding into flames like Adrian's car. Link on the top right. So stay tuned. What's up? So we're here in Overboost, Sinjaramba. So we check out some sweet restorations. So check it out. Oh, we have a Zafiro, fully stripped interior. Wow, amazing. Wow, nice 180SX metal bodywork, sweet ass views. Check it out, sweet ass views. Wow.
给很多保護。
哇！
依家老細係精
人。哇！
古早我車嘛是拿金做的，
我對總是係精嘅。
拿金想差點慢慢車。我伊唔該，佢哋聽一本個亞式嘅，亞式嘅。
哇 ，TRD steering。哦，只有 custom 轉數錶喎。 拓海啊，11,000轉。It's a crazy Ae86. Oh, check out the super retro wheels. TRD steering, 10,000 RPM deco. Holy shit, that's an electronic display meter cluster. Yeah, now that's Jerry's Ae86. Check out the chart. So now, let's check out some cinematic shots. So this is Jerry's Ae86. He's doing some rust repair, panel restoration, fully loaded drift car, full roll cage, full bucket, OMP steering, fusage tank, Watanabe wheels. Being an 86, he's the only guy that refuses to do the flip eye conversion because the Levin is more unique. Tôi同100靚喎，個 Link Legend 嚟嘅，210黐線嘅。
知道咁我就知啦，千祈唔好幫我講。
So we are here at restaurant Makanan Laut Tianli for dinner. Apparently they have the best mee raja. I think it's some kind of fried noodles. Update you. So after viewing the Ae86 and many nice cars at the workshop, we headed for dinner, but my GoPro went out of battery, so couldn't show you guys the nice foods we had. I just got some McDonald's and I'm riding on my electric longboard. And yeah, so I end the vlog here. So like, share, subscribe to the channel if you like what you're watching.